Okay, today is a video about my presentation. I have a little presentation. There it is. It's just going to be sense main. There it is. C is a nice programming language, somewhat bare bones. You can pause the video. I'm too lazy to read all this. That's it. That's the whole presentation. Let me just add a little image. That's it. That's the whole presentation. This was a lie. This video isn't about my presentation. It's about this really awesome program called Sense, which, for demonstration purpose, I'm just going to entirely delete and install in front of you right here. So first of all, I'm using this thing called Farbfeld, which is, like suckless, lossless image format made by Suckless. You know, you can use that if you want. You can use PNGs if you want to, but yeah, I highly recommend if you're going to use Sense. So all you do is literally HTTPS. Actually, I think I have it in my, yeah, there we go. I'll have this in the description because I know you're a lazy fuck. So you just clone into the repo, which is taking a long time. The joy of good internet. And the whole thing is what? 300 kilobytes? The whole thing is 900 lines. Okay, actually, about 1,000 lines of C code. That's it. All you do is s sudo make is installed. S is just an alias for sudo, by the way. Don't be tricked. Don't be fooled. And that's it. You already have a man page now for sense, so you can do whatever you want. And here's your config. Also, for some people, as you can see, yeah, it's root, and you need like root access now. You need to do sudo vim, and you might not be able to have your vim config. So all you do is sudo ch own smoke. So like the user smoke, the group smoke, and then config.h, and then you edit the config.h. Now I'll keep I'll delete these, and I'll just do JetBrains mono nerd fonts. There you go. You have all these shortcuts. Okay, you have a line space, and also I don't like the colors, honestly, so let's just switch to those and fuck this. Foreground color, I memorized these. Retab, and I want the colors to be a little nicer, so I'll just do like a bunch of twos, so it's a little gray. And here are all the shortcuts you need, including Vim bindings, by the way, and Emacs ones. So yeah, it's pretty convenient. And then smake install to recompile the whole thing and apply the config. And now let's go to that presentation again. So presentations, whatever, sense main.sense, and there it is. Okay, now this is supposed to be kind of a tutorial, so I'm going to show you all of the things, but at this point everything is in the man page. You don't really need ads or whatever you call it is for the images. Each paragraph is its own single slide. If you want to, for example, ignore, so I have like a comments, wow, this sucks, you can't really see this, so I'm hiding the fact that it sucks, which is basically every single propaganda ever. uh, And also, if you want to include, so like my email is, actually no, let's just say do this river.ff. If I go and do send main dot send. By the way, the it's just a text file. The dot send is optional. I just like to organize it like that. As you can see, I can actually do the add thingy that you use in emails, and same thing with the hashtag or whatever you call it. So let me do this again. Oh wait, no, never mind. Should be good now. There we go. And that's literally it. Each paragraph is its own slide. These are comments. You can display images. You can also display these characters right here, these two, using the backslash. So it's basically just C's printf or whatever. That is about it. So yeah,